There are literally n number of websites where you can create AI agents easily. N8n is one platform, and GPT has recently launched Agent Builder. So with all these websites, you can easily create AI agents, and there are many n number of ways to create AI agents. But the big question here is how to sell AI agents, how to make money using AI agents. If you want to find AI agents created by someone else, where you can do that. I have recently came across this website called MuleRun. So this is the first of its kind of AI agent marketplace where you can actually find out all the AI agents that are created by someone else. And the good part is you can also be a creator here. You can literally sell all the AI agents that you have created here. It's like in Amazon or Flipkart. You can see these are all the agents created by someone else. Someone has created subtitle translate AI Pro, and someone has created AI portrait enhancer, and you will be charged 50 for run. You will be charged 50 for run. Like it's these are all credits again. So you can buy these things. You can sign up and you will get 100 free credits here. You can buy all these credits. That's one part. And like whatever, like you will see there are many agents created by some creators. A 3D desk figure creation, general browser operator, meme generator, image to receive, instant VO3 downloader, instant SEO blog writer. There were many AI agents out there, and you can also be a creator. You can register yourself as a creator here, and you can make some decent bucks because AI agents trending these days. Like everyone needs some more other work. If you have created an AI agent which can solve a problem or we can help people to accomplish their task easily, then you can sell them easily here. Like these are all the focus areas that they're looking for. If you have created a video, if you have created an AI agent related to video and image or writing or work or personal time or investment, gaming or any other thing, they're asking creators to register themselves as creators here so that you can start selling and making money using MuleRun, which is selling your AI agents. Creating AI agents is not a complex task these days. With the help of all the tools available, and ChatGPT AI Agent Builder is also cool. Like you can create agents instantly by using the templates or creating from scratch. And N89 it's there from it's for a long time. So with the help of all these, you can create agents easily. Now with the help of MuleRun, it's giving an opportunity for you to monetize your agents, and you can also purchase agents if you feel you need something else. Like if you have a website and you need a automatic marketing agent or someone who can do marketing, you can just hire an AI agent instead of hiring people. Or if you have a course and if you want to sell that to people, you can just hire an agent which can collect leads and send emails. So in this way, there were many agents out there. All you have to do is like search for the agents that you wish. And if you are a creator, this is the best thing for you because now you can monetize your AI agents here. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe to the channel for more content on AI. So please like this video before leaving. Thank you.